The RTX 4070. No one asked for it, but it's coming anyway. In fact, according to brand new leaks, it's coming way earlier than expected, in less than a month's time, with Nvidia's planned release date being the 12th of April. That means that gamers won't have to wait long at all to get their hands on this GPU. That is, if they want to get their hands on it, because at the end of the day, it all comes down to value. And we do actually know the RTX 4070's price tag, which will apparently sit at $750, which is okay? Like, I don't know, is anyone else finding it super difficult to pin down how expensive a graphics card should be? I feel like all our perceptions of pricing for GPUs has just gone right out the window in the past few years. Granted, it's still expensive for a 70-tier graphics card, but if the performance increases of the Ada Lovelace architecture also translate over to this graphics card, then we should be seeing some pretty nice improvements of performance over last gen. However, that doesn't mean that Nvidia didn't take the opportunity to also alienate more of the partners. Because while the Founders Edition is going to cost $750, the non-Founders one from third parties is gonna cost $50 more, because apparently Nvidia's on a quest to lose all their friends. Now Nvidia, I totally get it, okay? I have difficulty making and keeping friends as well, but here's a hint. Trying to bankrupt them probably isn't going to make them like you more. And trust me, I know from experience. But what do you think about the RTX 3070 so far? Let me know down in the comments below, and while still here, maybe check out our Patreon, because even a single dollar a month really goes a long way. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKB, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Balish Welcome, Max Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, Jesse Herbman, and Sean Odgun. Down in the video description below, you're also going to find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.